Hi there, welcome to Loopy Mabel's Closet. My name is Jane and it's just a quick video today on a little pattern testing I've been doing, and I just wanted to share it with you. Welcome back. Yes, so today's vlog is all about a little pattern testing that I've been doing, this t-shirt, and I just thought I'd share it with you so it gives you a little bit of an insight into this pattern company, because you might never have heard of it before. And I like to share and promote small businesses, because I think, you know, it just helps. If we all did that, it would help small businesses to succeed in this world of massive companies where, you know, sometimes you're a small fish in a massive pond. So I do like to help small companies, like small pattern companies and small fabric companies. So this is the Silene T-shirt by Glasshouse Patterns, and I'll just as you can see, it's just a plain old t-shirt. There it is there, and Tanya, who is the designer, said it was okay for me to vlog about it, because obviously it's just a pattern test phase, but she said she was quite happy for me to vlog and share what I've done with it. So yes, I volunteered to pattern test this t-shirt. I've never actually made a t-shirt before. I've made the long sleeve Freya top by Tilly and the Buttons, and I've made the Somerset t-shirt by Maven Patterns, and I've never really made a t-shirt. The only t-shirt I made was last year when I did those awful cat pyjamas. Well, the pyjamas aren't awful, but the fabric just wasn't me. I'll put a link if you want to go and see. But I do wear that t-shirt all the time in bed. I absolutely love that pyjama set. But that was my first really attempt at making anything with jersey, in fact, last year, and the neck's all gapey and I didn't do it properly and what have you. So this is the first t-shirt that I've actually made with my head screwed on and, you know what I'm doing with sewing and what have you. And literally it was the most enjoyable hour I spent yesterday, from cutting it out to sewing it up. Probably just an hour 10 minutes. And it was just a lovely sewing experience. It's just, like I say, a plain t-shirt, and the fabric I've used is this gorgeous modal jersey, and I think it's called Cherry Blossom, in this lovely pink, and I got it from Laura, Material Girl Laura. It was a last minute pattern test, and I needed about 1.2 meters of fabric, and I asked Laura did she have anything, and she had this remnant, and she sent me it. I ordered it one day, it came the next. How speedy was that? Thank you, Laura, if you're watching. And it's a beautiful fabric, really lovely, and it just stitched like a dream, and this t-shirt is just fab, absolutely fab. I chose size 4, which was like my measurements. I don't think it's size 4 as in the sizes. I just chose, she had like a number of sizes we had to choose for our body measurements and go in that like pattern size bracket type of thing, and mine was size 4, and I think if it gets published it would be size 12, size 14 size. I mean, obviously I've got it over a long sleeve tee today because it's absolutely brassic outside, and I quite like the layered look as well. And it's got, you know, fairly short sleeves, which I'm not one for getting my arms out, but you know, this year I'm going to get my arms out. That's it now, you know, because I can't keep them covered up evermore, she says, with them covered up now, but obviously it's cold. But I would never normally choose a top or a t-shirt with sleeves this short, but I'm really liking it. I like the neckline. It's just a nice enough scoop for me, not too low, and obviously I like a high neck, or I like my neck area not too bare, so this is quite a nice neck length. And I'll just love I'll pop some pictures up of me in the garden as well, and you'll be able to see the length on it, and I'll just quickly try and show you. So it is quite a nice length, and it's got a bit of shape to it, so it comes in its shape, so it's not like a straight on t-shirt. Basically it consisted of 4 pieces: the front, the back, the sleeves and the neckline. So that's, I'll just show you again, the Silene t-shirt. Just really wanted to share the company Glasshouse Patterns. If you've never heard of them, I think she's got 4 patterns on her site, glasshousepatterns.com. Her name's Tanya. Hi Tanya, if you're watching. And I mean, I'm not an affiliate or anything like this. I just wanted to promote and share her little business. And she has some nice patterns on there, and this obviously, I think, but don't quote me on this, I'm sure when it's being published and the pattern testing is finished, I'm sure she's going to add it to her site as a freebie. So if you fancy a nice simple t-shirt pattern, but it's a really nice classic style, then it's called the Silene T. And what I'll do is, as soon as I mean, obviously you can go over to Glasshouse Patterns and have a look, but if I find out as soon as it's published, if I find out beforehand, I'll let you know on here or on my Instagram account. And if you fancied getting the pattern, I'm sure she said it's going to be a freebie, so win-win. So yeah, so just a quick vlog, just really wanted to share with you this gorgeous little t-shirt. I'm really pleased with it, and I will be making lots more. I think I got 1.2 meters from Laura, and I've got quite a bit left, so you could quite easily squeeze this onto a meter of fabric, I think, quite easy. So that's the Silene T by Glasshouse Patterns. I have got a Sew the Look vlog coming, and I've just printed off the 2 patterns for the look that I'm trying to not so much copy but inspired by, and I will be sharing that with you. I've got the fabric, got the patterns, and I will be sharing that with you. And what I'm going to do with the Sew the Look, I'm going to try and do a Sew the Look project every month. So I'm going to share with you the Sew the Look project that I've chose, and then the second vlog will be Sew the Look, the make that I've done. So it'll be like a twofold vlog on the Sew the Look series, let's call it. So that's coming. I'm quite excited about that, and I've got quite a few bits and bobs. I've got all my I've got quite a few things made from my vlog that I did on my plain fabrics, so I'll be sharing the makes with you as well soon. And obviously I always post pictures on Instagram as well. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching. Obviously head over to glasshousepatterns.com and have a browse, and I will keep you posted as soon as this lovely t-shirt pattern becomes available, and you can try it for yourself. And obviously if you're looking for a lovely small fabric company, then I do highly recommend Laura from Material Girl Laura. So thanks for watching today. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, it makes my day. And if you've got any comments on this t-shirt or anything at all about my vlogs, please just let me know in the box below. I love to read your comments, and I shall see you on my next vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Please take care and happy sewing.